Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's guide, I'll show you how to fix the error that says, Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely. This issue is common, but the good news is, it's easy to fix with just a few steps. First, open your Start menu and search for Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, look for anything related to Epic Games. If you see Epic Games Launcher or any background process, right-click it and select End Task. You can also use the search box at the top to quickly check for Epic and make sure nothing is running. Once everything is closed, open File Explorer and go to your C drive. Now follow this path. Program Files, x86. Inside this folder, find the Epic Games folder, right-click it, and delete it. Next, go back one step and open the normal program files, without x86. If there's another Epic Games folder there, delete it as well. Once both folders are removed, open your internet browser and go to store.epicgames.com/download. Download the Epic Games Launcher installer again. Run the file, and you'll see two options. Remove. Repair. First, select Remove and let it finish. Once done, run the installer again. This time select Repair, then Confirm. After the repair is completed, launch the Epic Games Launcher again, and the error should now be fixed. If this tutorial helped you, please drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more tech fixes and guides. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.